Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory has once again redefined what it means to be a superbike. With its aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and track-ready performance, this motorcycle is built to dominate the roads and the racetrack alike. Starting at approximately $25,000, it offers incredible value for the level of engineering and performance it delivers. At first glance, the RSV4 Factory is a visual masterpiece. Its aerodynamic design, sharp lines, and race-inspired livery scream speed and power. The dual LED headlights with integrated DRLs give it a futuristic look, while the carbon fiber accents add a touch of exclusivity. Aprilia's attention to detail is evident in every curve, making it as stunning to look at as it is to ride. Under the fairings lies a beastly 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, delivering a heart-pounding 217 horsepower. This powerhouse ensures blistering acceleration and top speeds that leave competitors in the dust. The torque delivery is smooth yet aggressive, giving you full control whether you're launching off the line or carving through twisty roads. The sound of the V4 engine is nothing short of intoxicating, offering an auditory thrill to match its performance. The 2025 RSV4 Factory is loaded with cutting-edge electronics to enhance your riding experience. The latest APRC Aprilia Performance Ride Control system includes adjustable traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, and multiple riding modes tailored for street and track use. The new 6-axis IMU ensures unparalleled stability and precision, allowing riders to push the bike to its limits with confidence. Comfort and ergonomics have also been refined in this model. The seat is designed to keep you comfortable even during extended rides, and the adjustable foot pegs and handlebars allow for a customizable fit. The new 5-inch TFT display is crisp and intuitive, providing all the necessary information at a glance, including navigation and real-time telemetry. When it comes to handling, the RSV4 Factory is in a league of its own. The Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system adapts in real time to road conditions, ensuring optimal grip and comfort. Paired with Brembo Stylema brakes, this superbike offers unmatched stopping power, making every ride feel controlled and precise, whether you're on the street or at the track. In conclusion, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is the epitome of performance and style. With its jaw-dropping looks, state-of-the-art technology, and unbeatable handling, it's the dream bike for any adrenaline enthusiast. While the price tag of $25,000 may seem steep, what you're getting is a masterpiece of engineering that delivers an experience worth every penny. If you're ready to conquer the roads and the racetrack, the RSV4 Factory is your ultimate companion.